Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the how to create the mesh of a pipe. So first we will see in this demonstration. First we will create the this surface file of the mesh of the pipe for creating the mesh of the mesh of pipe by using the Snappy Hacks utility in OpenFOAM. So first first I will created this surface file by using Salome. So let's see how we can create the mesh surface file of pipe. So let me open this Salome. So this now and after that after that we have to own the geometry modeler. Here we have to select the geometry model so we can create the object geometry of the object. So let me show. These are the suppose these are the origin, and these are the x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. So first we will see. I'm selecting this z-axis. Z-axis. Yes. We have activate this z-axis. Now after that there are two ways to create any geometry of the objects. First we can create the vertices or points, then we can join the points, then we can create the edges. So we have created edges, then we have to join the edges so we can get the surface, we get the faces. So after then we can make the several faces. So we can make the we can join the all surfaces for the particular object, then we can get the volume of the object. So that is the basic rule to create any object of any object. Yeah. So first now we will see here in we can select, and there are several predefined objects are here, like cube, like box, like cube, and cylinder, and there are the various shapes. So first I'll create the one cylinder in the z direction. So first what is that this is um, 10 mm, 10 mm radius, and 500.5 500 mean 0.500 mm, or zero point 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter height of the length of the pipe. So uh, now you have to apply and close it. You can see there is some object is created here. So you can see here. So these are the object. See, you can see the pipe is created. Basically this is the pipe volume. Yeah, this is volume. So now what we will do, suppose we have to use the surface file, so we can create this we can exploit into the we can exploit in a cell. So we have to select this object, right? First we have to select object, then go to this exploit, and we can use this button shell. So you can see the cell basically it has the only the surfaces. So basically we can see this is pipe surfaces, surfaces only. Now, yeah, pipe surfaces. So and we can also further exploit this so we will get the faces. So see, there are three faces are created, you can see here, and these one faces, two faces, and three faces. So for what is this, suppose we can call these faces inlet, and we can call this face outlet, and this one, suppose we can call this wall 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 or pipe. So these are the three surfaces are created. Now first, for the save point, we can save this for particular location, this file. So now these are the three surfaces we have created. Either, yeah, we can now, we can export these surfaces in a particular location you can define. Yeah, and export this wall, and you can export these. Yeah, we have already exported, just be left with this outlet. So then we can save this outlet in HTML format. So basically we have saved, we have created the surfaces of the pipe. There are three surfaces: pipe wall, pipe wall, and inlet and outlet. Yeah, so now, yeah, yeah. And the second part, there is a, there is a some if there is a some issue in the surface file, so then we can create this, we can we can we can improve the surface quality. Yeah, we, yeah, so then we can see in later on.